Cool. We're good. Okay, everybody. So I have a loyal member of VTN here. Got
Hello.
Jeremy here. So if you wanted to, I just said your name, but if you wanted to like introduce yourself, say like how old you are and where you're from.
All right. My name is Jeremy. I'm 18, almost 19, and I'm from Uruguay, South America, but I'm currently living in the U.S.
Okay. Cool. Awesome, man. So, how long have you been with VTN and since you purchased the Forex Fortune Factory?
I purchased the Forex Fortune Factory October last year.
Hmm.
Yes, since then I've been here.
Okay. So what like were you a previous trader or like have you traded forex before? And if you have traded forex before us, what was like your biggest problem
Well,
before?
I'd never traded before with real money. I was like practicing with a demo account, and I was it's if you don't know what you're doing, then it's just random. You don't know what you're doing, so it's either the market's gonna go up or it's gonna go down. So you end up losing money because
Yeah.
most of the traders, they have 50% success rate on their trades or less.
Hmm.
So so yeah, it's that. It's not knowing what you're doing. So the first time I saw the advertisement, I remember it was on Twitter, and I thought it was a scam.
Really?
I remember I talked to you, and you were like, yeah, you were just talking about the program, and then I just stopped talking to you. But like in the back of my head, I was thinking a lot about it. I'm like, I really think I should go for it. It's a risk. Sometimes in your life, you got to take risks, and since then, it's been really interesting journey, and it's really paid off.
Okay. So since you did join the team, like what results have you seen so far from the Forex Fortune Factory?
Well, I remember at first I watched like all the videos, the explanations about the strategy, and I did kind of understand, but not everything. I didn't take notes or anything,
Hmm.
so I just thought I was set. So I started with an account, and I blew my account
Hmm.
because I was doing exactly the same thing that other people were doing. And then I just realized, I paid for this class, so I need to pay attention. I grabbed notes. I studied a lot, and since then I've been doing really good.
Hmm.
Today I made almost $1,000, 980 dollars to be exact.
Okay. There you go, bro. Awesome. So, like what exactly do you like the most about the strategy so far and just Vision Trading Network in general, like what exactly do you like so far?
Was I think the strategy would be my favorite thing about the strategy is how easy it is to go look at the charts and see, oh, what's going on.
Hmm.
I think that once you learn, it's kind of like learning a new language. At first, you see all the letters and you don't understand what it's saying, but after you start practicing and stuff, you start understanding what's going on, and
That's a
and
really
now
good
I
explanation.
exactly. So now I look at the charts and I see movements. I see trend resets. Than before, I was just looking at things going up and down
Hmm.
without any uh, explanation why. So yeah, I think that's my favorite part: how easy it is and how easy it is. I guess.
Okay. So, like would you recommend this for, like cuz you're only 18, you said you're
Yeah.
18 about to turn 19. Who would you recommend this program for? Like it's working for you, but would you say it's fitting for other 18, 19-year olds, or would you say there's like a certain age you should be at or certain type of person? Who would you recommend this to?
Well, I think anyone with that have time
Hmm.
uh, should be able to learn all this. I think I recommend this to everyone. I did recommend this to all my friends, and sometimes it's difficult to give that step. But
Hmm.
once you do, it's. But yeah, I do recommend this to anyone. I mean, I'm only 18. I'm still in high school, and I'm trading, and sometimes I'm in class with my laptop trading instead of paying attention to high school. But um, but I think that the younger you are, the better, because you end up, I don't know, you're 26 and you already have, if I once I get 26, I'll be 8 years of experience in forex. I'll have 8 years of experience, so that's pretty good. But I think this this strategy is so easy that anyone can understand it. You don't need to have any background on forex. Like I literally didn't know a thing about forex before this, and now I'm making $1,000 a day, and it's just crazy. And it only took me really 4 months, because there was 2 months that I didn't trade or study. So like of trading, it only took me 4 months. So it's just crazy.
No, that's sweet. I mean, honestly, it couldn't have been said better. Honestly, bro, truly.
Yeah,
So okay, all right. I got one last question.
for sure.
Do you have like any other benefits that you want to mention about like me, my partner Cottrell, or just the program itself? Like any last minute benefits, like just personal, you know, perception.
Well, I think the good thing about you guys is that you really care about the students. It's not only, it's not I get the money and I just give out the strategy. You really care about us. You really care about what we learn, and if we ask you any questions, you're always there to answer. It's not like you take 5 days and don't even give us a normal answer. You're always there. You give us feedback of what we're doing. If we need help, you always give us help. So I think that's like the greatest thing of like any online class that you can get is just the support from the teacher.
Okay. Well, I appreciate that, man.
No problem.
Definitely, because that's the area that I honestly I don't care if this is on recording. That's the area that I like worry about because there's so
Uh-huh.
many of you guys, and I try to keep up. So, no, that's reassuring. I mean, it makes me feel good. I'm sure I could always do better, but that makes me feel good that you actually still feel that way. So that's awesome.
For
But
sure.
hey, Jeremy, I appreciate you hopping on here with me, man. Keep
No
killing
problem.
it. Keep killing it. Next is 10,000. So I mean, don't get too greedy. I gotta say it. Don't get too greedy. Don't get too overly confident. Just keep doing what's working for you. Don't feel rushed, and sit on your hands if you have to. So,
All right. Thank you very much.
all right, brother. You enjoy the rest of your day.
You too.
Peace.